Good morning student, as you know we are doing the exercise 10.1 and in this video we will construct your question number 3. So what are they saying? The question number 3 is that let L be a line and P be a point not an L. Through P draw a line M parallel to L. Means what we need to do, suppose that this is your line L. Okay, after that we need to take one point outside P and from P we will draw a line which will be parallel to L, that will be your M. Okay, after that we need to take one point on Q and match the P and Q. इसको मैच करना है, draw M. Now join P to any point Q and L. P को आपको Q के किसी point पे करना है. Choose any other point on R. Now in this line M we choose the point of R. Suppose that I have taken this R and through R draw after the in this point, from this point we need to draw a line which will be parallel to your PQ. After that what we have to decide what is the structure we are getting, कौन सा structure या कौन सा geometrical structure आपको मिल रहा है. Okay, so what we need to do first in construction. So let's start with the construction. Okay, so first is you will need to follow the instruction one by one. Okay, so the first is okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so what you need to do, first we will draw a line L same as your question number first. Okay, some of the step you need to do just like your question number first. So this is your line L. Okay, so I have taken a one point on a line number L, that is your Q. Okay, after the Q I will take a one point which will be outside of your angle P, your line P. Okay, that is. So now what you need to do, we need to join the line P and Q. Okay, like this. So P and Q, we join line P and Q. After that what we need to do, we need to from P. Okay, same as question number first, in the P line we need to draw a parallel line which will be parallel to L. L के पैरेलल आपको फ्रॉम P पॉइंट से आपको पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करनी. सो इट इज़ द सेम एज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. सो हाउ यू आर गोना ड्रॉ इट, first take your compass and adjust the mouth of the compass. After that from the Q point take a arc, make a arc. Okay, like this, and also in a point P. Okay, after that what we need to do, we need to measure the arc length. Okay, length of the arc on the line of L. L पर जो आपकी आर्क है उसकी मेजरमेंट करनी है like this. ओके, मेज़र किया. अब इतनी ही लेंथ का आर्क आपको यू नीड टू ड्रॉ ऑन लाइन ऑफ on the other arc, that is your P, point P. So now we will join your arc, intersecting arc and P together. So this is the line which we get from P. So P, this line is your suppose that M. So we have construct the line parallel to the L, that is your M. So now what they are saying, that we need to take a one another point from in the line of M. M पर एक और point लेना है. Suppose that this point is R. Okay, R ले लिया. From the R again same in a question number first we need to draw another parallel line which will be parallel to now PQ. PQ के parallel होगी. So what we need to do, again same the question number first, but we will start from R. So what we need to do, suppose that turn your page like this. Okay, one. Like now put your needle on a arc, okay, and draw a arc from here, okay, like this. So same angle which we have drawn it here, the arc, we need to measure the arc here, okay, which we have drawn on the angle in the point of P पे जो आपकी आर्क की लेंथ है उसे मेजर करिए एंड कट द सेम फ्रॉम द आर, ओके, आर पॉइंट्स से कट कीजिए. सो द पॉइंट एंड आर, measure your point from here. So this line and extend it from the R to your Q, R to S. So this is the same line R and S which will be parallel to your PQ. So after what you get, that you get the structure of PQR, PQSR, and in this these two lines are equal and these two lines are the equal. So PQRS quadrilateral PQRS will be our पैरेलोग्राम. क्या होगा ये आपका पैरेलोग्राम होगा. सो what structure we get the parallelogram. So I hope you understand the instruction of this question. Thank you very well.